we are back here today with our mum-to-be gifts. So I have new mother and baby celebration gift. And what do you have?
I've got pregnancy gifts for the mum-to-be.
For the mum-to-be. So the focus of these gifts are for mum and the mother, with a little bit of a de-emphasis on the baby.
Yeah, that would be right. Yeah, there's a percentage shift towards things for the mum because that is the significant event, isn't it? You've been told I'm expecting or whatever. It's been
look at me when you say that.
rhetorically that you're expecting or whatever. So and you wish to celebrate it and say congratulations without just sending an ordinary congratulations gift or whatever.
Yeah.
You're looking something a little bit more customized, personalized, and individual, unique for that particular congratulations event. So, mum-to-be gift is a congratulations gift, but it's in the baby division.
Yeah. So I have a few wee bits for the baby. So obviously, mum has just found out, so we don't know any genders. We would presume at this point. So we've got our little kind of like white unisex outfit. Very, very cute. I must say. And then what's this? A wee baby grow as well. So moving on to our mum, we have some like sentiments in here. We have a lovely bespoke verse poem, which can be hung up in the nursery or, you know, beside mum's bed. A wee motivational kind of poem. We have this little East of India. Hope you know how amazing you are. So a little kind of ornamenty.
Yes, I think it's an East of India type of thing.
Yeah, East of India. What else we've got here? A lovely Pamper Party bath melt collection. So, please, it says please do not disturb bathing in progress. So there's little like bath melts in there. For like a pamper element for mum with everything going on to take some.
Yeah. So if you were buying these things, these are obviously the pinnacle. These are obviously the most expensive things that you can get and placed into a basket for dispatch for arrival as the most luxurious version of a mum-to-be gift.
Yeah, it could be quite difficult. Like, what do you get someone who is obviously a lot of mums, if they're going out to buy stuff for their baby, they're going to have in their mind what they want, certain brands that they want for like prams and cots, like you said. So I think if you're trying to gift something to someone who's just found out and you want to celebrate them, this is a very good problem solver. It's for mum, it's got lots of treats for her, you know, celebrating, you know, motivating and pampering the mum-to-be.
If you're doing this on a budget, you visit the stores, you visit the retail and whatever, and you put your version of these things in, and obviously it will come out quite a significantly amount cheaper, because you can maybe, instead of buying this branded, unique, organic, you can reduce the quality of it a little bit, you know, according to your budget. You don't need to put the most expensive bath salts in, whatever.
You personalised Marvelous Mum, lavender candle, like you can go in and just buy a more standard candle, you know, more standard pamper products. But obviously,
and you can arrive then at a new mum gift, which you've designed yourself and whatever, and that might be more personable in your opinion. But remember, our objective here is to create a unique brand experience here of the ultimate in new mum gifts. So that's how we arrive at the composition of it for you to possibly copy.
So let's have a look. What have you got in here? We've got
what's that book? Bump to
birthday. So that's kind of to celebrate some of those milestones with the baby. But we've got some like sweet treats and tea and stuff in this one here as well. Again, for mum and to share with partner if she wishes. That's honeycomb crispy hearts. What else? And
we've got like, see, reduced, what's it called? Wild olive bath melt. So
there's like 4 of those in this one.
4 of those in that one. But you can see bath melts from in a number of shops or whatever. I think probably going to have to go to a number of stores to get everything, you know. So and when you go to all of those stores, put it together, and some of the things will work together and some of the things won't, and you don't have to put everything in. You can leave some things out. So
this is our interpretation of what a pregnancy, what a mum-to-be gift should look like, and some of our tips if you are going to create your own for someone who is expecting a baby. We have obviously focused on mum in our gifts, but you can, you know, let us know what you put into yours, and if you've any if you've any extra suggestions or your opinion or your thoughts on how we have put it together. Remember, these are just 2 storylines of our range. You know, there would be other, we're just talking about these particular ones in particular, but we've maybe got another dozen or so, which is a different storyline, because it's very important that you put your own storyline, you tell your story in the gift that you're sending to the mum-to-be. Yeah, perfect. Thank you.